up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can find your Wi-Fi password on your mobile phone. So what you need to do first is connect it to an Wi-Fi. After that you have to click on your Wi-Fi option, right here. Okay, like that. After that you can see here is an settings open up of your Wi-Fi. Then what you need to do is click on the right setting option, the setting icon like that. Then after that you have to find the QR code option on your phone. In my phone the QR code option is here in the share option. Okay, this is different options on different phone. You have to find the QR code anyway. Okay, after that you have to click on the QR code. I'm going to show you that if when the QR code is open up, you have to screenshot it like that. Okay, after screenshot it you have to go to on your gallery. I'm already screenshot it and open this up. After going to gallery, this is the tricky part. You have to click on the photo, and if your device connected Google Lens, you can see an option on the last option, that Google Lens. You have to click